Hi everyone, Art for Kids here. Today we're gonna draw Christmas tree. Leave a comment below and I will shoot you out on my next video. Let me know in the comments below, do you like Christmas? If yes, what do you like most? Do you have Christmas tree in your home? If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe with notification bell so you will not miss any new video. Leave a comment if it's anything else you would like me to draw. Well done! You draw very well. Almost finished. Now coloring time. Yellow. You can choose any color you like. Red. Dark green. Purple. Brown. What color you think there will be next? Green. Paint slowly and be careful to don't go out from the lines. Keep going, you do very well. What's your favorite color? Leave a comment down below. Oh, nice! I like your color. My favorite color is green. What color did you choose for painting? Did you choose same like me? Well done! Your picture is beautiful. If you enjoy this video, you want to check one of these videos I have for you down below, or in the end of the video, click one and I will see you there.